crochet with me a baby black cat that's Halloween inspired. I start off with a tiny magic ring, then start crocheting its body. It's my first time crocheting a piece that's all black and I almost went cross-tied. Stuffing his body, thankfully not by his butthole this time around. Here, I'm sewing his ears closed. Before sewing his eyes in. Oops, it's a little hard to see, but I'm stuffing his tail before sewing it in.
Statistics out there proving whether or not this helps. It does. How does it erode? It feels, yeah, a little typesy feeling, but it's never like tricky necessarily, as it's such a small piece. But yeah, the point of it is to reconnect pathways in your brain to help. It can be a really great aid for, like you said, addictions, and also can help PTSD to dissolve some of that trauma or whatever. So, and it doesn't work for everyone, which is why that we like the, I guess, more traditional use of ketamine is for like short-term anesthetics. So it's like if you're getting a procedure or something that they
Once I'm done, I'm just left with sewing his body closed and I'm done.